In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to rotate a document in DocuSign. Now, if you're someone who frequently deals with documents, you've probably encountered the scenario where a page or two isn't oriented the way you need it. Rotating a document in DocuSign is an indispensable skill to have up your sleeve, especially if you want to ensure that everything is neatly presented and easy for recipients to read. Let's walk through this process together. First, let's imagine you're already in the edit mode of your document. This is the starting point of our tutorial. Being in edit mode means you've accessed the document you need to modify and you're ready to make alterations. This environment essentially allows you to tweak and finalize before it's sent out. So ensure you're in the right space to begin editing. Next, you'll want to check for the name of your file. This is located in the side panel of the interface. Imagine this as your handy reference point. It's crucial that you verify you're working on the correct document, especially if you handle multiple files at once. Having confirmation of the file name gives you peace of mind and prevents any confusion later on. With the document loaded and ready, this is where the magic happens. You'll notice a rotate symbol somewhere on the interface. It may look like an arrow curving in a circular motion, typically recognized across many platforms. Once you spot this icon, give it a click. This action will rotate the document, changing the orientation of pages within it. Whether you're dealing with an upside-down page or a sideways one, the rotate function is your quick and efficient solution to correctly aligning them. As a helpful tip, keep in mind that rotating a document isn't just about flipping it for aesthetic purposes. Proper orientation ensures that when sending this document to clients, partners, or teammates, they won't face any unnecessary hurdles trying to view the content. It increases the professionalism of your communications and makes a world of difference in readability. With these steps, you've learned how to effectively rotate a document within DocuSign. Remember, becoming proficient with these tools can significantly enhance your document management skills, making your processes smoother and more efficient. Thanks for learning with me today, and I'm excited to see you master this essential technique. Enjoy enhancing your DocuSign experience.